going to do an oil change on my old lawnmower, my 4-horse Briggs Stratton mulching mower. This is the one I did this cold start, old start video on a little while back. It started right up. It hasn't been started since, so I might as well do it again. Warm up the oil so it's easy to change the oil. Ooh. Okay, now that the oil is somewhat warm, it should be easier to get out of the crankcase. There's 2 methods to doing this. The first method is, of course, I think the one we all know is take off the oil cap and lay it on the side. That's one of the ways. The other way is to remove, if you have one, a drain plug in the bottom of the engine. I usually, when I have done oil changes in this, I've used the drain plug in the bottom, but today I'll do it by dumping it out of the fill. Yeah, now that the oil is warm, dump a little bit. Close up of that. Get it a little higher so some more oil can come out of there. Wood blocks here. Well, the oil's draining. This is the mower I call Sir Chops a lot because it'll chop anything. But it doesn't look real good under here. You can tell I've been hitting things and it's rusted. And this is a brand new blade, but it's a nicks in it. I'm going to go ahead while it's upside down. I'm going to go ahead and straighten some of that out. You can use 2 hammers for this operation. A ball peen hammer and whatever, but I have a body dolly kit, which consists of that. And, don't know if I can. Might have to take a plier to that first. I think that's good enough for a 20-year-old mower, huh? What do you think? A lot better than it was. So, I think the oil's probably completely drained now. We'll start with 1/3 of a quart of the 4-cycle small engine oil, 1030. Oh crap, I'm blocking you. Hold on. That's about 1/3 quart. Just let that settle for a bit. That oil was really nasty. You look. Look at that. That was just gross. That's been years. Years. Yeah, I should probably take better care of it, but we're on the add mark. So it probably takes a half quart. Seems to be large